Howdy guys, Jace here. There's a flood. Don't know why. Walking through it because why not? I don't care.
What's happening up there? Ryan, send me a video.
Oh yeah. We're having a radio. We have a walkie-talkie. We don't know Zach. I'm recording a video for everyone. Copy.
Record a video of the fucking sewer drain that leads out of it.
All right. Zach's telling me. Zach is telling me to Oh wait, why am I doing this? Oh yeah. Zach is telling me to make a video. All right. All right.
You just try to head back to base. Shit, the waterfall is overflowing.
All right.
No, Zach, I'm gonna head to the park and meet me there.
All right. Zach, Ryan's going to the park. I'm gonna explore more for my videos.
Copy that. Shoot, the main floor.
All right, here it is. All right, I'm going.
Where's Zach?
He's at the main. Oh wait, I'm holding my phone.
The game's not fully flooded yet, but it's starting to overflow.
Alrighty, head back. Alrighty, head back to the main. Head back. I'm gonna explore more. All right.
Copy, I'm heading back to the cover.
Holy shit, guys! It is overflowing like crazy. What Zach thinks is they're just letting out all the water that has been holed, maybe. I don't know. It hasn't been raining though. It hasn't been like this when we got here. That's what I can say. And there's my friend Zach. What? Alright, here's my friend Zach. He's gonna tell you. Zach, what are you gonna tell everyone? Oh,
Don't tell me. I have to say
we did said that we wanted a swimming hole. Alright. So since you were
it's broken.
what is?
Fucking sewer.
Alright.
Sending a video to Ryan.
Saying that he's alright, Zach has a new theory. He thinks the sewer probably broke over.
Crazy. Oh my god.
So yeah. There's a lot over here, guys. A little spring. It hasn't been raining either. I think so it can't be that. It's all dirty. Maybe it's poop water. I don't know. It is deep, guys. It is deep. It is really deep. Zach, it is deep. It is really deep. Alright. Hey Zach, I have a video of your point of view. Do you mind making a video? Or mind sending me that video? Alright, right. Zach, do you mind sending me?
I walked all the way down there. It's kind of flooded.
Dude, it is really flooded. Oh shit, guys. It is deep.
No, we can't get out.
Yeah, we can. Come on.
Not yet. But Jace, the fucking what? The waterfall that that our swimming hole is up to Jason's unit, and Jason's units are high.
Alright, walk through the water. Come on, guy. Water has.
Fuck.
This is actually a pretty long video. I'm glad.
So
I'm making this in
calling my
parts.
mom, dude.
Alright, want me to head back or stay here? Zach?
We're gonna head out. Just wait. Don't come.
No.
I'm calling you.
Randomly, out of the blue, the water
Dude.
started kicking up speed, going up like 4
I
inches.
guess.
It was so crazy because it was like
Water's deep. It's really deep.
a few weeks.
Oh, this. This snow that I've been standing on. It went to my. Up to my freaking knees. Me and my friends are calling their mom and
Yeah,
dad.
and we don't know why. We got out before it got too high. And I was like, dang.
It's getting really high. We're gonna try to get out, right, Zach? We're gonna try to get out. We are actually.
Higher than mine.
Got boots. Alright, Ryan, do you mind getting your socks?
Wait, calming down a bit.
It's calming down. It's good.
We walk out, we see the whole, like, if we look at the river at the bend, or right in front of our, like, clubhouse, it's so crazy because,
It's starting to become
yeah, it was like
Okay.
2 inches below the sand, and now it's like so high, like you can't even see the sand.
Yeah, look, Jason's knees were in that. Like, right, I'm fully looked down the way.
Well, just looking at the video of what they're saying, guys. This is actually really crazy. I'm glad I got this on video. I was walking back from cutting some trees to make a path for Zach because he's claustrophobic. I wanted him to see something. But this thing is really deep. Actually, I don't really care if I get wet. I'm gonna change socks and shoes and pants. Anyways. I feel like a news station. Alright?
What the hell is happening?
Really don't.
Ryan, the sewer broke.
Are
In
you
the
gonna-
video,
I'm getting on video,
or
dude.
it's flooded.
No, but like,
Dude, it couldn't flood.
Zach, you know what I first thought of when this happened?
What?
I first thought that they were like opening like the fire hydrant and all this water went into a storm drain and now it's over here. But all that can't be that.
Yeah, can't be. This is clear water.
Wanna hold it? Zach, wanna be a video?
Yeah.
Oh,
Jeez. Like, it's going deep.
I'm looking through it. I don't even care. Oh, yeah, guys,
Yo, Jace, are you gonna post this on YouTube?
yeah, dude.
Alright, say our forest flooded. This car's scary, dude.
Dude,
Shit.
what
That's the
if
truth.
there's never water there?
Yeah, the water's flooding.
Dude, it keeps getting higher and higher.
Dude, let's head back to the clubhouse.
It's
Take
more safe,
cover.
It's more safe.
It's more safe.
Dude, this is actually perfect.
I called my mom. She's tired because she just woke up. But I hope she's not worried about me because she knows I'll probably get out safe. But we don't know because it's flooding a lot. I'm
Dude.
pretty sure she can hear the panic in my voice.
Fuck.
Fudge.
Dude, what happens
Listen,
to
neither
the
of us,
frogs,
dude.
bro? Imagine the frogs.
Whee!
Dude, hold on. This might be a whole, like,
Because
swimming
I don't
hole.
have my.
Yeah, there's at least some good things that are coming out of this
I'm
flood.
gonna put my foot in. I'm gonna touch
Jace went in there. Jace, go in.
Dude, that's
Okay.
freaking deep.
Here, try the other one.
Where?
That one, right here. Try going in there.
In there? Alright.
That one's deeper. Yeah, like Ryan, look, it's overflowing. It's going over the
I
hole.
wish this would always happen, but not this like this.
Yeah, we wanted it to flood, but we didn't want to flood.
Oh, nice
this much.
underwear. All right, guys, come on, let's head back.
Wait, I'm gonna go like this.
All right, wait. Give this a minute. Hey, go in that way. That's right. Let's do it.
Oh my God. Ryan.
All right, go on.
Dude, imagine a frog. Imagine a frog just swipes past your leg, and you're like, "Woo!"
Dude, hold on. This is so freaking exciting. What happened?
Well, we don't know.
Well, Ryan, that video of the sewer you filmed,
Yeah.
the sewer is probably either a There's like these doors inside the sewer that open and close that to let a little bit of water through.
Right?
And Ryan, that sewer, freaking, either those doors broken or now open,
Right. You made
Or-
a video, right?
No.
or the sewer got clogged for a bit.
But I made a.
Ryan, or the sewer got clogged for a bit, and then all of a sudden, all that stuff got so much pressure on it from the water, it all of a sudden just went.
Almost like.
Look at what it did to the rock, to the brick.
Yeah. You do it. No, guys, you do it like this.
I pissed in there.
Damn it, guys.
Wait, Zach. Wait, you made a video, right?
No.
Oh, I was gonna make everyone sport confused.
Here, I'll make a video.
We're back. So,
All right, I'll be back, guys.
Ryan, Zach, what are we gonna do?
Analyze the flood because the sewer's broke or something.
All right. So, where am I going again? Where are we going?
To the waterfall. You're going to the waterfall. Ryan's staying at the flood.
And Zach's going to the big, to the soldier. Oh yeah, we have radios. Say hi, Jeff. Say hi, Zach. Lol. Alright. I'm at the main. It doesn't seem like it's gonna slow down at all.
Over here it's slowing down a tiny bit, but it's still flooded.
So, we're gonna call this the flood. Well, this the waterfall, guys. Zach, how's it looking over there?
Still kind of shallow.
Alright. Bro, guys, my socks are wet. Guys, my socks are soaking wet. My pants are wet.
Towards the beginning, it's starting to flood a little bit higher.
Wait, it's starting to flood higher?
Kind of.
Alright, you guys heard that, right? Just in case you guys know what the flood's high. It's going higher. Analyzing. I'm going deeper into the main, alright?
Copy that.
Ooh, guys. Alright guys, socks wet, knees, nah, no man, I don't know, like I mean. Yeah. It seems a bit higher.
Copy that. I sent a picture to the group.
Alright. From my point of view, it seems cleaner than I first saw it.
Mixing with the good water.
Actually, guys, just in case you guys didn't know, I heard from a YouTube channel, clean water's dirty, dirty water's clean. Oh, dirty water's safer. That's what the guy said. I think it's Austin Knife, the knife guy. I don't know. Something nice. Great YouTuber. Try. Oh yeah, his channel to the description.
At the tip of the sewer drain.
Sorry, I didn't copy that. What was it?
I'm taking a picture of the very beginning.
All right. Howdy, guys. Sorry, I have to put this back in. I accidentally unrecorded. Then I took a picture. Anyways, so hold up. I am gonna. This one. Here we go. I'm going to see what everyone else is. How their status is. Zach, I'm coming towards you, alright? Zach!
Yeah?
I'm going towards you, alright?
Copy.
Alright. So, I'm going to Zach.
Just checked out the sewer drain. It's definitely broken.
Yep. Zach said that the sewer drain is broken. What are you saying?
Huh?
What's your status?
It's getting worse.
Alright. Going to Zach. Feel like it's flooding even more. Holy shit.
Trying to get a little more muddier.
Alright. It's getting muddier. Getting dirty. Zach. Alright, Zach, I'm here. Alright. Alright, I want to show everyone what it looks like. Whoosh!
It's getting deeper up there too.
Yeah, guys, it's getting deeper. Hey, it's actually pretty shallow over here. It gets deeper as the further you go, actually. Alright, guys. Oh. This is a dog. This is what it looks like. Going back. The storage drain seems more flooded. Zach, seems we're flooded.
Copy that.
Here, guys. Going back. I feel like Joel in The Last of Us, guys. Really good game, guys. Top tier graphics, it's a really top tier game. Should watch someone play it or play it. $60 on Steam. And you need a PC on that. Really great game though. I'm gonna watch people play it. It is. Oh, that is deep. Oh, it got in deeper, guys. It got in deeper. Oh, it got way deeper. Oh, it's deeper. Guys, it is deeper. Bro, it's higher. Jack, look.
Alright, James, now that you're over here, me and Ryan have to head to the front.
Alright,
We need to get more evidence.
wait, I want you to do some more.
Sure, I'll record up there. Good luck.
Alright. Wait, I want to use it.
What?
Alright, guys. Zach's gonna gather some more evidence. I'm gonna sit here.
What is
What's up, guys? We're going to head up front. Fudge. This stuff
Dude,
is.
this has to be the longest video we've posted.
Well, it's starting to flood.
Dang, hold on. Pass this one real quick. Okay. Okay, guys. So look at this. So if we look at this, right? This is our swimming pool we had, and you can kind of see what I made. So water would not go like, it would make it more full, and it kind of went through it. But that's what we kind of wanted. So it would still go here. Now it's going all the way over. This is insane.
There's a tiny stream going through here.
Yeah, this is just probably. This was always
Look at
just
Jake. Look
still
at
water. Dude, it got deeper though.
this. Yeah, look at this.
Dang, that's insane.
All right, Jace, we're gonna go up
Okay.
front. You stay over here.
More.
You stay in the middle and the back, Jace. We'll go up front.
Alright.
Yeah, it's starting to get. Look at this. This is different from the beginning of when we got here.
It might slow down a little bit.
It has been slowing down a bit, but up there, like the middle part is the calm. Kind of like a hurricane.
Yeah.
There's that moment of peace and calm, and then you got more. Yeah, Jace, you stay up at the back in the middle.
Put up your radio to the phone. Want to tell you something? Recorded.
You're being recorded.
It definitely got deeper. It's getting a little bit more deeper.
Copy that.
If you want good news, the stream seems slower.
Yeah, in the middle and the end, it's a little bit slower, but at the beginning, it's fast.
Bigger was really fast. Want to check on the waterfall?
It's bigger than it was when I was over here. Yeah, it's getting deeper. Here, wait.
Still going real fast.
Fudge.
Fast before though. Going a little bit
Here,
slower.
come here.
I just want her to get out now because it's muddy.
It's not up there. I went up and out.
Let's try it.
Well, up there, it's more dry,
Oh
but
yeah, just 3 seconds.
come here, Ryan.
If you want good news, the waterfall is going slower.
Copy that.
Like really slow. Which are not really slow, but pretty slow.
Copy that. Fudge. Wait up, Ryan. Dude. I took 2 of my pictures. What?
I'm gonna check on you.
No, I was taking pictures from right here, Ryan. Copy that.
You can go down in this piece because all this water.
Okay, the stream at the end of the main is going pretty fast, but slowing a bit down.
But, hey, let's end this video short and
Copy.
we will give you guys some
Copy.
updates. We'll give
Yeah,
you guys some updates.
Alright,
Alright.
I'm coming back.
Copy.